MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Please be guided. Do not just register on any forex broker's website. Make sure they are registered and regulated in your country before you register with them, and make sure you try all your strategy on their demo account before you go live. Any strategy whatsoever, either indicators, signals, just make sure you try it out on their demo account. And I'm referring to regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out. You can easily check them out online. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning trading strategy. Before you take any trade on a daily basis, make sure you check Forex Factory or any other news aggregator, any other forex news aggregator. Make sure you check them out if there's any news concerning any pairs you want to trade, so that you stay away from that particular pairs, either 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after the news, or better still, stay away from that particular pairs, since you have other alternative pairs to trade for. And make sure you try all these on regulated forex brokers. I have a simple forex indicators that I've combined together, or that you might call forex tools, that I've combined together to show you how to use these simple tools that is effective if you are going to follow these simple rules. And this is on regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and trade with them if you are okay with them. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy. As I said, I have few forex indicators that I've combined together to come up with this strategy, and make sure you follow me as I explain to you in detail each indicator and how I combine all the indicators together to come up with this forex trading strategy. Here on my chart, I have up to like 5 indicators. Here is the first indicator, this is the second indicator, the third indicator, the fourth indicator, and this zone indicator. So I have like 5 indicators on my chart for this particular strategy. This is how I use this particular strategy. It can be used on any pairs you want to trade. This can be used on the meta like gold, silver. You can use this on cryptocurrencies like a Bitcoin, that is BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doji, and the like. So you can use this particular strategy. This can be used on indices like US Tech, or you call it Nasdaq, US 30, and the rest. And this can be used on any forex pairs you want to trade. It is not limited to a single pair. Make sure you check it out and trade it with any pair you want to trade. Now let me show you how to use it. At this particular zone here, we have this 3-colored indicator, which is semaphore indicator, that gave us this signal. Then we have this indicator that turns from blue here to red for a sell. Condition number 2 met. And then check TDI indicator. This did cross at this particular point. And the last indicator here changed to red from white. Good signal that you can trade, and you found out that this signal did delivered. And when you check the other signal that was generated, here we have like a buy signal, but the theory is missing and it's not at the trend line. It's not at the point of this trend line. So this is invalid, and this signal is not to be taken. And at this point here, we have all the indicators here combined for a buy signal, and TDI just crossed this turn to white, and this is a good buy setup. And this is how to take this particular trade, and your take profit might be the next trend line, or you go for a fixed take profit and stop loss. All depends on you, or risk to reward ratio. It might be 1:1, 1:2, 1:3. All depends on you, but make sure you always secure part of your profit as the market is going in your direction. So this is how to combine these indicators together, and here is a good point for another buy signal. This change to blue here, we have TDI crossing, and the last indicator turned to white for a buy. So all the indicators were in agreement for a buy at that particular point. And let's check another pair. This is Euro USD. Let's check Great Britain's pounds USD, and here is another setting, another setup on 15-minute time frame. We have the three indicators in agreement at this particular point. TDI indicator crossed at this zone, and this did turn to white color for a buy, and we have a good trend here to the upside. Here is another signal generated in agreement, all the indicators in agreement, and this did deliver. So this is how to use this particular strategy, and make sure you use it on regulated forex brokers. The other indicator that I have on my chart that I did not explain is this zone indicator. This is the Asian section. This box is the Asian section, and this is the London Open. Then this is a New York section. So this is just to demarcate this section. This is the opening of the New York market. This is the opening of the London section, and this is Asia section here. So this is to demarcate the section, and this did give us a good signal what to trade. Most likely in New York section, they might try to reverse what has happened in London section. As you can see, at this particular point, we have another signal generated at the opening of this section, and you find that in the Asia section too, we have another signal trying to reverse what happened in New York section. And this is how this normally play out nearly every day. Now let's check another pair before I end this video. This is on gold, and it's still the same principle, the same strategy, just the same principle. Make sure you follow it and trade with it. Here is it on the Euro Australia dollar, and we have a good setup using this particular indicator here. At this particular point, we have all the indicators in agreement for a buy. Your stop loss will just be 50 pips below the previous low, and your take profit might be the next trend line. Your take profit for a buy. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Make sure you follow it closely and practice it on your regulated forex brokers. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. It is important that you trade on regulated forex broker. Very, very important. do not waste your time practicing on a broker's platform that is not regulated. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. I have been using them and I do not have any issue trading with them, either depositing money or withdrawing my hard-earned money. Please trade on regulated forex broker. Trade on regulated forex broker. I say it again, trade on forex regulated brokers, and make sure you demonstrate any strategy before you go live with it, either paid indicators or paid forex signal or paid forex strategy. Make sure you try it out on your demo account, on your forex trading demo account before you go live. It is advisable you do that. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.